So now I'm going to show you the how you submit your video abstract. So it's a 3-step process and it's really quite simple. Firstly, you drop your video into your Google Drive. So probably, most likely an MP4 file, although there may be other file types that you use. Second is you make the link shareable. So you link your file, make it viewable by other people, and then you get that link and you copy and paste it into Notes. So I'm going to show you now how to do that. Here we go. This is my Google Drive. And I'm going to drop in a video. I made a sample video earlier, so I'm dropping that in right now. And it should just take a minute to upload. So I've dropped my video in, and now I'm going to get the link. So it asks me here, before I copy the link, I'm going to change that from anyone with the link can view, and click done. And then I'm going to copy the link, copy link here. So the link is now copied. And then I'm going to go to the Eventzilla site. So I'm logged in already and I can go to my submissions. And I haven't made a submission yet, so I'm just going to do a practice one. So choose submission type. So here, when you enter, you get all of the submission guidelines. So you can go through that at your leisure. So click go to submission form, and title, I'm just going to put test and abstract. I pasted my abstract. And then in this section here, so choose your type. You can choose your type. I'm going to do synchronous live session about 21st century skills, and it's a 45-minute workshop. So in the notes, this is where you want to paste your video link and then click submit. Now don't worry about clicking, I didn't do one thing, keywords, okay. So don't worry about clicking submit now, because they won't go through until the deadline. So if you go back to your submissions, you can make submission. Oh, hang on, your submissions. Yeah, so it's still here, my submission, and I can edit it at any time until the deadline. It says you can edit until any deadlines as published by the organizers. So you're golden. So just to let you know, our site is Eventzilla, but in the coming week or two, it is going to be updated to Edzilla. So the front page will change, but the inside page, which I just showed you, is not going to change at all. So what you see now is this, and you'll see it for hopefully the next week. But after that, what you'll see will be something more similar to this. So the menus are still in the top left-hand corner. You still have your global home. You'll still have all your information on this side, and it will be obviously our events, but the format will be more similar to this.